Bringing character and charm to a modern property can always be a challenge, but when you marry the skills of an artist and a garden designer, the results speak for themselves. I can't wait to show you around this one. Please come and have a look. Now, look at this stunning entrance hall. Staircase leading to the first floor, lovely light fittings, downstairs WC, and this all leads through into a beautiful dining room. Lovely light feature, full of natural light. Just imagine entertaining family and friends in this beautiful space. Just look at this stunning sitting room. This is a perfect example of how the current owners have added interest and a feature into their beautiful home. Just imagine sitting in here, glass of wine, good book, looking out onto your stunning garden. I don't know about you, but for me when we're upstairs, the most important room is always the principal bedroom. I want room for a super king bed, loads of storage, built-in wardrobes, and of course the all-important ensuite. I really hope you enjoyed that video tour of this amazing property in Stamford. For further information or to book an in-person viewing, go to eastaway.co.uk, go to the property details page where you can click book a viewing. See you on another video soon.